Swadikap, and welcome to our new family room, Bandara Resort and Spa, Samui. There we go. What's very special about this room is that we have a plenty of space around, and you can accommodate 2 adults and 2 kids. So let me show you around the rooms. First of all, our new facilities include USB cable charge, so you can technically charge your phone because I ran out of battery. If you look in the room, as far as you see, the area might not be that spacious, but until we open the door, we have a separate unit of king-size bed for parents, and ta-da! 1 large queen-size bed and 1 single bed up there for kids. As you can see, everything is separated into 2 units, including televisions, air conditioning, meaning that if kids are resting, parents can also rest. If kids choose to play, parents can also choose to rest. Also, if you look on the floors are anti-slippery, meaning that your little ones will not slip over even if it's wet on the floor, and you can be assured of a plenty of space because there we go. We have large wardrobe as an example. Facilities and amenities in the rooms include everything ×4, 2 bottles of water, 2 extra waters, daily replenished free of charge. We have food on arrival, and yeah, this is incredibly comfortable. And if you look outside, all rooms of our family rooms are located on the ground floor, meaning that your little ones can have an access directly to our children's pool, no more than 20 meters. So, if you look on this side, you have 2 bathroom units, 1 over here with massage function. And if you look inside, there's also another unit. Ensuring on busy hours, like preparing for breakfast or dinner time, your little ones can also shower outside, or likewise, parents can shower outside. Floors are non-slippery, everything is built with 2 wash basins to ensure a comfortable and enjoyable family stay. And welcome to our newly designed Bandara Tropical Deluxe Room. This beautifully newly designed, super well-appointed room is designed for your total relaxation experience, a true romantic getaway. With high ceilings, heaven bed, the new plush and so beautiful duvet that gives you a totally relaxing experience, and like usual, extra large king-size bed. With all the facilities such as your USB cable, universal power port adapter, and the new bathroom. As you can see, the new bathroom, it has been featured with our massage function, an extra large shower unit with 2 separate wash basins to ensure a comfortable stay, a romantic getaway in the heart of beautiful Samui. A truly Bandara breakfast experience can never be completed without a visit to egg stations. Poached eggs, boiled eggs, whatever kind of eggs you can order here. We'll call travel egg. Oh, I thought the breakfast was about to close, but let me quickly show you guys around what we offer. This is our bread station with our Bandara home baked breads. We also have selection of gluten-free available. This is my favorite station. Fruits. Oh, take a look what she's doing. And here's my favorite station, the Asian Delights. Menus are changed daily. We have, for example, today, fried fish with garlic, sea bass, vegetables, fried yellow noodles, and this is my truly favorite spot. Noodle stations. What about a cup of freshly brewed coffee? That please have a cappuccino.
Daddy, sir.
Sitting over there.
Yep, Dad.